In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the oil pressure switch on this Nissan Frontier. This will be located on the passenger side of your engine. We'll access it from underneath, right above the oil filter. Let's get started. Looking right above your oil filter, you'll see your oil pressure switch right here. What we'll do is grab onto the electrical connector, push down on the top tab, and unplug it. Be very careful with this wiring because it's a single wire connector, so pulling on the wire can cause it to break. It is full of sand, so I'm going to shake it off. Try to tuck this away so I can get my socket in here. Now you can use an oil pressure switch socket, or a deep 27mm socket will also work just fine. Make sure that's seated, get a ratchet on this, and spin it out. All right, take that off. If the vehicle ran recently, some oil might come out of that hole. Take your new oil pressure switch and start it into the hole. And just keep turning it until it bottoms out. Now put that 27mm socket back on. And we're just going to snug this up until it bottoms out with the ratchet. Okay, that right there just bottomed out. I'll just give it a little bit extra. Perfect. And that is fully tightened up. We'll take the electrical connector and reconnect it to the switch. Make sure that clicks and it's locked in, and that is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.